Hello everyone. So now in this video we will see how we will do the checking part, and for that we have to use our phones or on iPads. We can do the checking. Checking cannot be done on the laptops or your desktops. You have to download Google Classroom app from the Play Store. So as you can see here that this is the icon of Google Classroom. So you will install this. As I have already installed it, so I will open this Google Classroom app. Here, as I have created 11th B in the first video, so I will click on 11th B. As you can see, one student has appeared in the paper or has given me the paper. So I will click on 11th B, the class which I have created in the video 1. In 11th B, you can see here that this is the unit test 1 which I assigned to the student, which I have sent to the student. So this is the student name. So Ruchika Bora, she is the student here. Handed in means that she has actually submitted me the paper. Now I will click on handed in. This is the student work. So I will click on handed in. Now here I can see that this is the actually document hello.docx which the student has submitted. So I will click on hello.docx to see that what student has submitted to me. So this is randomly I have just uploaded any answer sheet or any document. So student, you will see here the answer sheet of the student which the student has done. And you can see there with this icon. So you can see there was a pen option above, and when you will click there, you can select here the color, and you can start doing the checking with your fingers, as it is the touch screen on your phones as well as on the iPads. You can assign the marks with this arrow. You can go to the second page, and it is very simple to do the tick and award the marks, whatever you want to write there. So just see that I'm checking the paper. I have highlighted a portion over here, and this is how I'm checking the paper. So I can give the remarks also. This is the last page of the answer sheet. And you can see above that there are 3 dots over here. So you will click on these 3 dots and you will click on save option. So now you will see that here one edited document will come, that will be the checked answer sheet. So this hello.docx is the answer sheet which the student has submitted, and edited hello.pdf is the answer sheet which I have checked. It is in PDF form so that the student should not be able to make the changes in the checked answer sheet. So now I can go here, I can open this. I can scroll it upwards to see how many marks I have given to do the totaling. So I could see here that I have given the marks, the total marks. So now I will go back and I will award here, that the cursor is blinking over here, add marks. So I will give 15 marks out of 40. And now I will click here on the return option. When I will click on return, it will again ask me return. As soon as I click on return, the checked answer sheet will be received by the student. So once I will click here on return, you will see here at the bottom. Just see here, work returned to Ruchika Bora. So the work has been returned, the answer sheet has been returned to the student. Now I can go back over here. So I can see here that one sheet I have marked. Now I have no mark sheets left to be checked. So I can go here, I can go back. You can see here the marks are there, 15 out of 40. I can go back. And here I can click over here on these 3 lines. And here I can click on classes. Here I can go to my 11th B class once again. And this new assignment which I have given. So I can click here on people option now. At the bottom, you can see the people option. The people option, you can see that this was the teacher. HCPS Ruchika was the teacher and Ruchika Vora was the student who has attempted. I can click on Ruchika Vora. So I can see that how many marks she has been awarded by the teacher. And again, if I will click over here, I can see the answer sheet once again. The student will receive the answer sheet in their email ID as well, in their Gmail ID, because their Gmail ID would be used for the Google Classroom throughout. And in their Gmail ID, they will receive a mail also that the teacher has checked the answer sheet and you have received the answer sheet and these many marks you have been awarded. Student will be able to see the checked answer sheet, and student will be able to see the marks also. So this is how the student will be able to see the marks. So we have created the paper, we have sent the paper, and now we have checked the paper and we have awarded the marks too. In case of any query, you can let me know. Thank you.